Welcome to all. So, today we will discuss digital fundamental using digital logic fundamental and microprocessor lab. So, already one topic is theory part, you can complete of your unit 1, unit 2, unit 3. So, up to unit 5 you can use of your microprocessor theory part. So, this is class you can use of your digital fundamental and the microprocessor lab exercise. So, okay. So, I will explain the lab exercise in your PDF file. So, you directly will go to the first exercise, exercise number 1. So, what is that the exercise number 1 is? So, this is the basic of your gates. Okay. So, this is the types of gates you can use. First one, so basic gates, and second one universal gates, and third advanced gates. Okay. So, first you can understand of this the part of basic gates. What is that? This is the basic gates you can use of your category. So, first one, and so again one, or so third one, not. Okay. So, this is the different types of gates. So, basic gates will be used of and, or, and not. So, same things of your universal gates, you can use of your universal gates. So, NAND, NAND, NAND gates, again NOR gates. So, this is the two types different you can use of your NAND gates and NOR gates, the use of universal gates. Okay. So, next one you can use of your advanced gates, XNOR gates. Okay. So, this is the exercise number 1. So, first of all you can understand the exercise number 1 is gates. Okay. So, after that first one basic gates. So, basic gates is 3 different type and, or, not. So, again universal gates. So, universal gates will be used of NAND gates and NOR gates, and the third one is advanced gates, you can use of XNOR gates. Okay, you can understand. So, you can one by one I will explain what is the basic gates, how to the truth table will be generated, and the simulator tool will be generated, how to the output will be displayed, all this I will explain. So, you can erase the first one. Okay. So, next, so first basic gates you can use of your table. So, after that what is a basic gate, you can use the table. This is a truth table. So, you can understand the 3 truth tables, the output will be displayed. Okay. So, what is that? The first one I will divide the category. First input, you can enter the input A, again input B. Okay. So, what is the defined, you can use of your last one output. The simple method you can use of your input A and input B and output display, the gate is will be use of 0 and 1. Okay. So, this is a symbol of your 0 means you can off, again you display the 1 on. Okay. So, this is the basic gates. What is the basic gates? Your first one, AND gate, AND gates, truth table. Okay. So, what is that? The input value is I will enter the 1, again you can use of your B. So, what is the defined? 1 is to 1, you can use of your 1 will be output in your AND gate. Okay. So, next one again 1, again you can use of your of 0, you can 1 into 0, 0. Okay. So, next one you can use of your 0, again you put in 1, 0 into 1 you can use of your again 0. So, last one you can put 0, again is 0, you can use of your 0. So, this is the output table you can use of your AND gate. Okay. So, same things of your you can use of your NOT gate. So, you can use of okay. So, this is the output will be defined. So, how to generate the table you can use of your, this is the simple method you can explain of your simulator, you can understand of this the output. Okay. Okay. So, again the truth table will be complete, the diagram. So, how to work of your AND gate diagram, you can use of your diagram. What is that? You can use. So, this is the AND gate diagram. So, this is the value, again you can use of your this one. Okay. So, next one you can use of your the value. For example, this is the what is that A value, again you can use of your B value, you can display of your output. The same things of your another example, this is the A and B, you can use of your output. Okay. So, this is the example of your diagram you can use of your AND gate. Same things of your you can use of your category. For example, you can generally understand A and B AND gate, you can use of your C. So, C is for output. You can assumption for example C. Okay. So, your choice you can use of A and B, you can use output is C, otherwise output you can display. Okay. So, this is the full and full of AND gate truth table and diagram of your truth tables. Okay. So, next second gates I will explain, same things of your changes. What is the second gate? OR. So, the OR gate will be used to you can slightly modification of your table. For example, I will erase input value and output value. So, I will enter the value of 0, again 0, what is the output? 0. So, the again input value 0, 1 is a use of your 1. So, again you can enter 1, again 1, so sorry 0, 1 into 0, again 1. So, next one last 1, 1, again you can use of 1. So, this one the use of your OR gate. Okay. So, this is the modification of your table, you can use of your input value is 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 1, again 1 into 1, 1. So, this is the basic you can use of your table. So, what is the diagram? So, this is the diagram will be changes, I will erase the diagram. OR gate. So, you can use okay. So, this is the OR gate. For example, you can enter A value, again you can enter B value, you can display the output. So, the diagram will be used of OR gate. So, its symbol will be used different. Okay. So, next one you can enter the A value and B value. So, this is the OR gate, the output will be display C. So basic, you can use of your output is, you can enter output, otherwise you can use of your symbol C. Okay. So this is the different of your AND gate or OR gate. Okay. So let's go to the next one, NOT gate. So I will erase this gate, NOT, N-O-T, NOT. So again you can use of your input value, I can erase. Again, what is that? The input value 1, again the output will be display, only one value you can enter in your NOT gate. Okay. So what is that NOT gate? This is the function, you can enter the input, the output will be display 0. So again you can understand input value is 0, what is that output? 1. So this is the function you can use of your on and off. So the simple of your input A value, you can output will be display. So this is the basic of your, you can use A, you can erase input output. So you can simply you can understand. Okay. So what is that? So this is the table, simple table of your NOT gate. Okay. So what is that? You can use of your NOT gate. So I will change this of your diagram. Okay. So this is the NOT gate. Okay. So you can use of your NOT gate. So this is the already you can use of your NOT gate. For example, in your what is a gate? You can already I will draw the diagram of your gate is, you can use of your OR. Same things OR gate you can use of your NOT. Okay. So this is the NOT you can use. So the output will be displayed. You can understand. So input value is 1 and output will be use of 0. So this is the NOT gate. Okay. So again for example the simplification value for the value of A and B and C, for example A value is 1, again B value is 0, something of your output means you can use of your diagram. So this type of diagram, A value, B value. So this is the output of your C. At the time of practical exercise you can clearly understand of this how to output will be generated. Okay. So this is the theoretical part, you can understand the gates. After that we will go to the simulator. Okay. So let's again go to the basic gates will be complete. So you can use of your NOT gate. So next one you can use of your universal gates.